Sometimes I get so mad at you for always making this selfless choice.
It's not a choice. I'm not gonna risk your life, Jake. Cam, I can't.
But that doesn't stop me from imagining that there are ways it could work. It doesn't stop me from missing you. Or from thinking about you. Wanting what I can't have. And I know how incredibly selfish that sounds because I have two beautiful boys and a whole life to look forward to with them. But you're not going to be in it. And that's killing me. Don't do this. Don't make me love you even more when I know we'll never be together.
I mean, what can I do for you? How can I make this easier?
Can you go back in time so we can make different choices? Not that I would, because then I might not have Cameron and Jake, and I would never give them up.
Sorry for all of this.
No, don't apologize. I love you the way you are.
I love you so much. You're perfect. I wish I could spend the rest of my life with you, but I can't.
I know.
I should go get the car open.
I called you.
When we get that tire repaired, you won't be driving around without a spare, especially with the boys.
Thank you.
You saved me tonight. I would have lost my mind if it wasn't for you. I love you.
I love you. Always.